There's a guide on how you can set different ringtones for different contacts. If you find this guide helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So the first step is open the Contacts app. Now there's a difference between the phone app and the Contacts app. On the phone app, you get the dialer, you get the call logs, and you get various information about your calls. Okay, but on the other hand, the Contacts app is a dedicated app which shows you all the contacts which you have on your phone, and it gives you the chance to change the settings of different contacts and different settings on your device. Okay, so you have to open the Contacts app. Now the name can be different on your device. For me, it's the Contacts app and the phone app. Okay, after opening it, you have to choose the contact which you want to change the ringtone for. For example, I have Joe here. Okay, after that you have to choose the option that says contact ringtone. This can be anywhere. I'm using a OnePlus device. For me, it's in the bottom, as you can see, but for you it can be anywhere, so you have to explore a little. After that, click on that, and yeah, then you can just choose the ringtone that you want to set. For example, I want it to be OnePlus New Feeling, so I'll choose that, and yeah, that's it. That's how you change the ringtone for different contacts.